Thank you. Another question. Suhaib Al-Asa from Al Jazeera. You have talked about the diplomatic action and movements of the state of Qatar, and we know the role of Qatar. My question is how this incident could impact the role of mediation played by Qatar. You said last week that Qatar is working in coordination with other parties and international partners, how this could impact the diplomatic stance of Qatar. As I just confirmed a few minutes ago, the role of Qatar will not be hindered by any bad or evil practices. This is what Qatar believes in dealing with the regional issues or the global issues. Qatar has played important role in the last few months, whether during the mediation between Hamas and Israel, or even between Iran and the United States, and also Iran and Israel, and also played a mediation role with different countries from the far east to the far west. And this attack or any other practices proves the efficiency of the Qatari stance that always works for solving the conflicts with diplomatic means. The escalation will only lead to more threats for our regional stability, and what happened today is a proof of that.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।